Yan na, magandang hapon mga beshi. So, mag-fishing tayo dahil boring kanina. Today is Saturday, August 3. Ayan, August 3. Catch report! Woohoo! 16 pieces na canoping mga beshi. Ayan o. Woohoo! Canoping. Canoping at may isang tanglad. Ayan. Yan, bilangin natin mga beshi. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 na canoping at isang cigar rust. Ayan. So, canoping lang. Saturday's catch. Hey. So, best time for fishing kapag boring.